Emergency services were spotted outside Manchester United's training ground in Carrington after a car rolled into a ditch. The accident happened near to the entrance of the training complex this morning, the Mirror reports. United were due to train ahead of their Europa League quarter-final against Sevilla on Thursday, while manager Erik ten Hag was due to speak to the media. But a reporter described the scene as chaos outside the training ground after a car rolled down a bank. He said he could see 5 police cars, an ambulance and 4 fire engines on the scene. Join the Free Manchester Evening News WhatsApp community reporter Ben Ransom said on Sky Sports News, "I've got to show you the entrance to Carrington where we'll be talking to Erik ten Hag this lunchtime. The scene here is chaos. You will have noticed the fire engine over my shoulder here, and that's because if you swing around, a car has ended up in a ditch here. We've got quite a substantial response. I think I've counted 5 police cars, an ambulance and 4 fire engines. I think the call initially went into the police was that there was a car teetering on the edge of a cliff. There are no cliffs here, that was the old training ground. This is Carrington, so mercifully everyone is okay. But the entrance to Carrington is blocked this morning, so the players might have to wait a bit before they get into training." Police, ambulance and fire engines attended the scene after a member of the public called 999. It soon became apparent that the scene wasn't as serious as first feared, with a silver car stuck in a ditch. United are preparing to face Sevilla in the first leg of their Europa League quarter-final at Old Trafford on Thursday night. It was unclear whether the chaos outside Carrington had caused disruption to their plans, but ten Hag will likely provide an update on the situation when he holds his press conference.